Welcome 8th class. Today is the lecture number 5. Okay, review exercise. We have not done exercise 1.3. We have done in this lecture review exercise. Four options are given against each statement. Okay, encircle the correct one. You have to encircle the correct one. If A is not a member, if not a member of set A, then symbolically it is denoted by. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टूडेंट्स यू नो डैट दी बिलोंग्स टू अ मेंबर या बिलोंग्स टू का साइन कौन सा होता है दिस साइन ओके दिस साइन इज दिस एंड दिस साइन इज कॉल्ड दी बिलोंग्स टू साइन दिस साइन कॉल्ड बिलोंग्स टू साइन ओके so if not a member how to write the set is not a member of the given set okay so student write the same as it is अगर हमने लिखना है कि उसका मेंबर नहीं है तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव राइट दिस एज एंड देन पुट अ डैश ऑन इट दिस मीन ए इज नॉट अ मेंबर ऑफ सेट ए इज नॉट अ मेंबर ऑफ सेट ए सो दिस इज योर करेक्ट आंसर ओके which of the following is not a set which of the following is not a set here a we have to decide which is the set is not a set okay from the given option A 1 2 3 option B ABC option C 2 3 4 option D 1 2 2 3 as you know that student the definition of set no member is repeat in the given brackets okay no member is repeated so here the 2 is repeated so this is not a set because in the set no number can repeat itself okay now third the number of subsets the number of subset of set a number we have to write the subsets of the given number okay so see students एक सेट है उसके अंदर एक ही मेंबर है वो मेंबर कौन सा है जीरो है we have to write the number of subsets so see here student we have to find the number of subset a formula is given to find the number of subset without solving it okay formula क्या है number of subset find करने का number of subsets okay formula आता है हमारे पास 2 की पावर number of member of a given set here the one member so take the power 2 1 2's power 1 so answer is 2 so 2 members are the in the given set okay students अगर हमारे पास किसी सेट में 3 मेंबर्स हैं तो उसको 2 की पावर 3 लिखेंगे ओके 2 की पावर 3 मीन 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 2 2's are 4 4 2's are 8 okay so this is the formula for the finding the number of subset without the solving the given set okay hopefully you get it now part 4 a set consisting of all subset of set x is called student in the previous lecture you have know that a set of consisting of all its subset is called the power set so C is the correct answer here the C is the correct answer here the 2 here the this here the this for these sets A B and C A union B brackets union C is equal to this is the associative law over union so what is the answer here A union but here the intersection A intersection B this is not also this A union B union C brackets okay so this is our answer according to the associative law over union okay now so student part 6 and part 7 for any two sets A and B A minus B complement this C known as complement is equal to student you have to take just two sets without your own will okay take two any sets okay then solve it okay solve करने के बाद इसका आंसर ये आएगा हमारे पास this 6 and 7 questions are for you solving in your notes also okay if union 1 2 3 to 10 and A is 2 4 6 to 10 and B is 1 3 5 to 9 then find the A minus B complement is equal to okay A minus B mean write all the members of A excepting which are belongs to B, right, as you done in union. Okay, same, A minus B. Write the all the members of set A except which are belonging to set B. Then find the complement. According to this set U. Okay, then the answer is matches from these four sets, U, B, A or empty set. Okay, then 8, if power set of A empty, set A, B and A and B both. So then the set is equal to power set's answer is given, then find the set that are answer of which the given set. Okay, किसका आंसर है ये हमारे पास, जो ये सबसेट है, ये जो हमारे पास पावर सेट है, वो इनमें से कौन से सेट का आंसर है. तो इसका देखें तो इसके जब पावर सेट फाइंड करेंगे तो ये आंसर कभी भी नहीं आएगा, इसके भी नहीं आएगा, इसका भी नहीं आएगा. सो दिस इज सेट, दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Then when you find the power set of this set, this is matches with this set. Okay, so this is our correct answer. If phi is an empty set, then empty set complement brackets over complement is equal to, student, this is understandable. Empty set complement and over complement is also the same empty set. Okay, so our answer is this. ठीक है. So this is, student, write the short answer of the given question. Define a set. You have done and learned the definition in previous. This is also for your work. Learn the definition of set. What is the difference between whole number and natural number? Whole number start from 0 and natural number start from the 1. So learn the definition from the previous pages. Define proper and improper subsets. You also done it in previous lecture. Define a power set, also done it previous lecture. You have to learn all the definitions. Okay, define De Morgan's law. Define the De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law also you learn in previous lecture. Write all the subsets of the following set. You have to just write all the subset of the given A and B. Okay, write the power set. Power set mean consist all the subset of the given set. Okay, then verify De Morgan's law. If this is the set U and A and B, you have to verify it, De Morgan's law, according to the exercise 1.2 question number 3, I think. Okay, so you have to verify the De Morgan's law. This is your assignment. You have to submit in offers in hot form. Okay, this is your assignment review exercise. Okay, thank you.